right? Again, continuation of circle. See, in a circle, the chord which is having maximum length is called a diameter. This is diameter. Sound. And if you take any point on the circle, some P, this diameter and joining with this P, you will get a triangle. And where you are taking the point, it is clearly perpendicular, 90 degrees. Remember, if you take any point on the circle within the diameter, that will make a perpendicular angle, 90 degrees angle. And diameter always cuts the circle into two parts. This is one part, this is one part, which are equal parts, and one part is called semicircle. One part is called semicircle. This is one semicircle, this is one semicircle. Okay, diameter cuts into a circle, two parts, these are equal parts, and they are called semicircle. And diameter makes perpendicular angle with any point on the circle, subtends right angle. Okay, next, this is a circle and this is the center, this is a chord. AB is a chord. And if you join with center, this AB, you will get a triangle. And if you take any point on the circle, then you will get a triangle like this. If this is theta and this will be 2 theta, 2 times angle you will get. If this is 30, this will be 60. Remember this. And the angle which is making with center is double the angle which is making, take some, okay, P and making with a point on the circle is always double. Remember, question adugutadu. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఇస్తాడు, ఈ యాంగిల్ అడుగుతాడు, సాల్వ్ చేయొద్దు, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇంటూ 2 చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వన్ మోర్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ సర్కిల్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ పాయింట్, this is a chord, this is a tangent, and this is a chord, and this tangent and chord intersecting at point P, there exists some angle theta. Okay, and if you form a triangle, taking a point some Q, if you form a triangle like this, then you will get the angle subtended by chord at any point on the circle, this angle subtended at any point on the circle is equal to the angle made by the chord and the tangent. These two angles are equal. Remember this also. So, ఒక chord తో ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకొని ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చే యాంగిల్, ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర వచ్చే యాంగిల్, ఇక్కడ కర్డ్ టాంజెంట్ చేసే యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్. దోస్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మోర్. In a circle, AB is a chord, and if you take a midpoint of ABC, some D, some P, and this is center. If you join these two, this is clearly perpendicular. This is clearly perpendicular. If you take a midpoint of the chord and joining center, that is clearly perpendicular to the chord. Ekkadaina ante. If you take here also, this is perpendicular. Here also, this is perpendicular. Here also, this is perpendicular. Like that. So chord midpoint నుంచి సెంటర్ ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే వచ్చే లైన్ సిగ్మెంట్ అనేది కార్డ్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉంటది అనేది దాని కండిషన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ with endpoints of diameter I gave you already yesterday. X minus x1, x minus x2 is equal to y plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. నిన్ననే చెప్పాను అది. సో దానికి రిలేటెడ్ గా ఉన్న ఒక క్వశ్చన్. Find the equation of the circumcircle. Find the equation of the circumcircle. Find the equation of the circumcircle. Okay, later I will draw the diagram of the complete of question. Find the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line. Of the triangle formed by the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. with coordinate axis. With coordinate axis. With coordinate axis, we have to find the equation of the circle. Find the circumcircle. Find the circumcircle, which is forming this line and coordinate axis. Okay. This line we have to write into intercept form. Then it will be like this, which is in intercept form, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I am writing first this into intercept form. Then you will get x by minus c by a, y by minus b by a, sorry, yeah, minus c by a minus c by b is equal to 1. దీని ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫామ్ లోకి మార్చి ఇలా వస్తుంది, which is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a value is what? Minus c by a, and b value is what? Minus c by b. So if the line is in intercept form, then a is equal to a comma 0 and b is equal to 0 comma b, already we know. So we can write a is equal to point is what? A comma 0 minus c by a comma 0, and b is equal to point what? 0 comma b. 0 comma b means 0 comma minus c by b. Now you have 2 points and one more point also you have 0 comma 0 to form a circle C. Now like this you will get the circle equation. This is the circle equation, required circle equation, this. And this is the center. 1, 2, 3 points is there. Passing through 3 points rule also we can apply. But here this A and B are the end points of the diameter. If you have end points of the diameter, then since A and B are end points of diameter, therefore circle equation x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Just substitute all values x1, y1, x2, y2 in this formula and expansion. You will get the equation, that is what? X minus x1 x plus c by a into x minus x2 is 0, that is x, plus y minus y1. What is y minus y1? 0. Y into y minus y2 y plus c by b is equal to 0. Expand answer వచ్చేస్తుంది ఏంటది? x into x square, y into y square, and x into c by a plus c by ax, and y into c by a plus c by by is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. And more we can do LCM, but no need, up to here enough. Okay, so this is the equation of the circle, which is circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line and coordinate axis. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next, yeah, after simplification, this you will get like this: AB into x square plus y square plus CBX plus CAY is equal to 0. లేదంటే ఇందులో C కూడా కామన్ చేయొచ్చు. C into BX plus AY is equal to 0. Suppose if I gave you 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Find the circumcircle of the triangle formed with this line and two coordinate axes. What is A? 2. What is B? 3. What is C? 1. Substitute 3 values here. A into B. 2 into 3. 6 into x square plus y square. C. 1 into means 1. Next what? Bx. Bx means 3x plus ay 2y. This is the circle equation. If you remember formula, this formula easy. I think it takes only 20-30 seconds to solve. Otherwise you have to solve like this. ఇదంతా చేస్తే అప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. లేదు ఫార్ములా గుర్తుంది అనుకో, జస్ట్ 10-15 seconds లో అయిపోతుంది. దట్స్ వై రిమెంబర్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. They will give you more shortcut formulas. Yes. Now, the equation of the circle passing through, 0, comma 0 and A comma B, B comma A, A comma B, B comma A. One is 0, comma 0 and 2 points are opposite to one other one. Okay, XY coordinates are interchanged. A comma B, B comma A. If you are like this, the equation of the circle is A plus B into x square plus y square minus A square plus B square into x plus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle which is passing through 3 points. One is 0, comma 0, one is A comma B, one is B comma A. For example, 0, comma 0, 1 point, 2, comma 3, 1 point, 3, comma 2, 1 point is given like this. Find the circle equation. So general process circle equation passing through 0, comma 0, then passing through one more point, passing through one more point, solving those equations, you will get GFT values. Substituting, you will get the answer. But here, these three are similarly like these three, na? Then you can write A plus B, 2 plus 3, 5 into x square plus y square is minus A square plus B square, 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 9 plus 4. 13 into x plus y is equal to 0. This is the answer. Just option take cheyadame. Next, the equation of the circle passing through 3 points. Passing through x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is. So, ఇది కొంచెం పెద్దగానే ఉంటుంది. This is little bit lengthy formula to remember. Mod of x1, y11, x2, y21, x3, y31 into x square plus y square. Then plus mod of c1, y11, c2, y2, 1, c3, y3, 1 into x plus x1, c11, x2, c21, x3, c31 into y plus last constant x1, y1, c1, x2, y2, c2, x3, y3, c3 is equal to 0. This is the formula where you have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. But c1, c2, c3 for that ci is equal to, there is a formula ci is equal to minus of xi square plus yi square. Suppose if you want c1 square minus of x1 square plus y1 square, x1 square plus y1 square, you have to add, then apply minus. So that is c1 value, c2 value, c3 value also we can find. So first we have to find c1, c2, c3, then substitute in the formula, then determine. 4 times determine, you will get the equation of the circle. Or there is a standard method passing through 3 points like IP method, but that will take some time. It is easy comparing to that, but it is difficult to remember the formula comparing to that. Next, the equation of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line. So suppose if given triangle like this and not given the vertices, is asking the circle of this triangle. Circumcircle we have to say. So there is one method is what? The vertices ABC given L1, L2, L3, not given ABC. The one method is what? Find L1, L2 A, L2, L3 C, L1, L3 B. Find the vertices first by solving the lines or sides of the triangle. Then apply this formula. Other one, there is direct formula we have. The equation of the circle of the triangle form, the equation of a circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L3 equal to 0 is lambda 1 L1 L2 plus lambda 2 L2 L3 plus lambda 3 L3 L1 is equal to 0, where lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 can be found by using the coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square and coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square and xy term also 0, right? And the coefficient of xy term is equal to 0. ఏమీ లేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? L1, L2 lines, L1, L2, L3, 3 lines we have, right? Lambda 1 into 2 lines multiplication, lambda 2 into multiplication, lambda 3 into multiplication, and all you have to add. Then you will get in every equation x square term, y square term, xy term. Okay. Now you have to take all x square terms, coefficients, y square terms, coefficients and equal. After that, you will get one equation in terms of lambdas. And after that, take all xy terms coefficient and make equal. You will get one more equation in terms of lambdas. By solving those two equations, you will get the equation of the circle. Okay. Next, already we completed concentric circles. So on that concentric circles, I will give one example. This is 2010 MZ question. The question is, and you know already concentric means same center, different radius. The equation of the circle concentric with the circle. The equation of the circle concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0 and of double its area is and of double its area. We have to find one circle equation. That circle is concentric with this circle. That circle is concentric with this circle. This we have to find. This is given and this is center. We have to find circle 2 given circle 1. But he's saying what? This required circle should have the area double of this circle. The required circle which we have to find. దాని ఏరియా ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే దీని ఏరియాకి డబుల్ ఉండాలంట. అది కండిషన్. ఆ కండిషన్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. సో see here, g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to 6 and c is equal to 15. Therefore r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c minus 15. Okay, 36 minus 15 is what? 21 plus 9, 30 is equal to root 30. Root 30 is the radius of what? First circle. Radius of first circle. Now, given condition I am writing, area of second circle is equal to 2 times of area of first circle. Area of second circle is given 2 times of area of first circle. But what is the area of the circle? Formula pi r square. Now here A2 na pi r2 square is equal to 2 into A1, right? Pi r1 square. 2 not cancel. Okay. Now what is r1 square? 30. Not root 30, 30. Pi cancel. R2 square is equal to 2 into root 30 whole square is 30 is equal to 60. Then what is R2? Root 60. But these circles are concentric, right? Then the centers are same. What is the center of this circle will be the center of the second circle. What is the center of first circle? C is equal to minus g comma minus f is what? 3 comma minus 6. And this is nothing but h comma k. Center is what? 3 comma minus 6. And radius is what? Root 60. Root 60. We need this circle equation. That's why I am writing the radius of this big circle and the center of both circles are same. Now radius is there root 60 and center is equal to h comma k is equal to we have 3 comma minus 6. Therefore circle equation is what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What is x minus h means? Minus 3 whole square plus y minus k means y plus 6 whole square is equal to root 60 whole square is what? 60. Completed. But if you want a general form, then this is x square plus y square. This is minus 6x. This is 6 2 ja plus 12y. And this is 3 3 ja 9 and 6 6 ja 36 and taking the side minus 30. Sorry, minus 60. 36 9 45. 45 60 means 15 is there. Minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation, which is related to concentric circles. Next, concyclic points. Concyclic points. If the points A, B, C, D lying on the same circle, then they are called concyclic points. If the points A, B, C, D lie on the same circle, A, if the points A, B, C, D, this is center. If the points A, B, C, D lying on the same circle, then they are said to be concyclic circles, concyclic points. Next, if the lines, this is very important, very useful for us. If the lines A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, if the two lines meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points, and those points are concyclic, these are the two lines A1, A2, B1, B2. By joining these points, if you have any circle, see these 2 points are what? No need to same like this. This may be like this also. This may be like this also. But the circle should passes through the 4 points like this. Okay? He's saying that only if the line meets the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points, those points are concyclic. Concyclic means should lie on the circle, right? If those points are concyclic, then the condition is A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2. Chala questions use it. A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2. Then the circle equation is what? That also I will give you. If the lines meet the coordinate axis in 4 distinct concyclic points, then the equation of the circle. Then the equation of the circle is A1 x plus B1 y plus C1 into A2 x plus B2 y plus C2 minus A1 B2 plus A2 B1 into xy is equal to 0. A1 B2 plus A2 by into xy is equal to 0. This is the circle equation which is passing through the 4 points which are the lines are intersecting at the coordinate axis in 4 distinct points which are concyclic on the circle. Now one example I will give you. The question is, if the line x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0, two lines. If the lines, these two lines cut the coordinate axis in concyclic points, then k is equal to what? So cutting like this, then what is the value of k is asking. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to k, c2 is equal to 7. Since these two lines cut the coordinate axis into 4 different points which are concyclic for the circle, then condition is what? A1, A2 is equal to B1, B2. A1, A2, 1 3 is 3, B1, B2, minus 2 into K, minus 2K. Then what is K? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the value of K. Next, maximum and minimum distance from a point to the circle. Maximum and minimum distance from a point to the circle. This is also new for you. Maximum and minimum from a point to the circle. See, this is a circle. Center. Yeah, this is a circle and center. This is center. This is radius. This is also radius. Okay. Take some point P here. Take some point B, some point A. The point A is outside. We are finding maximum and minimum distance from a point to the circle. What is maximum distance? What is minimum distance is the question. I'm joining AP. Now see, the minimum distance is, this is the minimum distance. Minimum distance from a point to the circle is what? AP. And the maximum distance is what? This is the maximum distance. The maximum distance from a point to the circle is what? AB. Okay. Now, how you will find AP? Minimum distance from circle to a point P. From point to a circle is AP equal to, we have to find AP, is AP equal to, ఇది మనకు కావాలి కదా. సో ఇది కావాలి అంటే ఏసీ మైనస్ ఆర్, ఏసీ మైనస్ ఆర్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏసీ మైనస్ ఆర్. బట్ distance should be positive, that's why I'm writing what. The total AC లో నుంచి from the point to the center distance, we have to subtract only radius. The remaining part is AP, that is the distance which is shortest distance, smallest distance and minimum distance. Next, maximum distance. Maximum distance from point to a circle is, maximum distance means A నుంచి P వరకు కావాలి. That is AB is equal to, AB is equal to AC, AC plus R, AC plus R, that is mod. Again, why? Because it should be positive. Okay, actually దీన్ని ఎలా రాయాలి? AC minus PC, AC minus PC. But what is PC? AC minus radius. And దీన్ని ఎలా రాయాలి? AC plus CB. CB is nothing but what? AC plus radius. So these are two formulas for minimum and maximum distance from a point to the circle. Okay. And I will give you an example on this topic. Okay. And the question is, the largest distance from, the largest distance, largest means maximum, the largest distance from minus 3 comma 2, from the point is given, minus 3 comma 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 is what? From this point to, for this circle is asking maximum distance distance is nothing but what? Here we taken something what AB and AB is the maximum distance. This is C, this is R, this is R. So we need compulsory center and radius. So I'm finding center and radius. G is equal to -1, F is equal to +1, C is equal to also 1. Now center is equal to -1 will be +1, +1 will be -1, and R is equal to root over G square 1, F square 1, minus C. C is also 1. So 1, 1 cancel is what? 1. R is 1. Now what is the maximum distance? Maximum distance is equal to AB is equal to, that is AC plus R. AC plus R. So we have to find AC distance also from A to center distance. So I'm finding AC distance here. AC is equal to root over distance formula. We have already x2 minus x1 all square. -3 -1 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 3 ja 9 is equal to 5. So what is the answer? This is mod of AC. What is AC? 5 and R plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is the maximum distance. Can you find minimum distance? What is minimum distance formula? Mod of AC minus R. What is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is minimum distance from the given point A to the circle. Okay. So this is about maximum and minimum. Next we have uh, intercepts already completed, but more two equations there. After the different forms of equations of circle, more there. Okay.